So it just tells me to go forward. I'll do that. Sure.
Undercarriage.
Oh, am I supposed to go slow?
I don't know. Those are wheel scrubbers.
I'm going. Making my way there. Yes. Still? Okay. Okay. All right.
Now you have to pay attention to the rules here.
Put vehicle in park. Done.
Oh.
Yay! Here we go.
Man, these are big brushes.
I
Holy.
know.
Oh, look, there's the top brush. I didn't notice.
Oh, me either.
God. Man, these are big brushes. Holy.
That's cool.
Ooh.
Oh, right now she's spraying me though.
First time in the wash, then taking videos of it. So, you know what we're doing. There's the wheel scrubbers.
Is that what he's doing right now?
I can't tell.
I also couldn't tell if they were doing the undercarriage.
Oh,
here
top brush.
Nice. Jesus, I'm like worried about my windshield wipers. You take them away.
And then that.
The other one.
Oh my god. And now it's these.
I know, they're just going back and forth right now. There we go. Is that you?
No, that's
What's making it all blue?
that's the lights above it.
Oh, I like that.
When is this thing gonna turn? Holy. Man, these are big brushes.
First it did the pre-soak, now it's washing, so it's going to do the wheel cleaning next.
Oh. Yeah, it takes forever.
But it didn't mention the undercarriage, so we think that maybe that was the undercarriage.
Yeah, it
I heard the
was.
nice and slow coming out. I was like, good.
Wow. Imagine if you get stuck in one of these things. The brushes. Now it's doing the wheel scrubbers. Look at it. It's doing the wheel scrubbers. It's cleaning your wheels. You like that? Now it's gonna do the front wheels.
Yeah, that's good. And you know what? Maybe I'll actually put my rims on today. Now that everything's nice and fresh.
Probably do a video just you pulling out of it.
I've never seen them do wheel covers before. That was kind of cool.
No, it's rinse.
I love that part.
And now the drawing right here. Look at the brushes. They were blowing a little bit. Hey Megan, imagine if we get stuck in one of those things. Don't get stuck in one of those. Oh yeah, there's LED lights above it.
Oh,
That's why.
I love that.
That's why you see it. all the lights.
I know, I love it. Oh, I love it. It's okay, nice. There they are. I like that.
And now we pull out.
I think so.
Now we go out.
Right.
I do videos when we pull out of the car wash.
Finish